Making an offer on a home can be a roller coaster, but here are a few tips to make sure you feel confident when you finally make an offer. Number 1, understand your budget. This is why pre-approval is always a smart step during the home buying process. Look at the numbers up front so you can feel confident down the road. Number 2, be ready to move quickly. In general, the real estate market is constantly changing, and as a buyer, it's important to be aware of the often fast pace of the real estate market. Number 3, lean on your trusted realtor. Your real estate expert will navigate through this, and so you need to lean on their expertise. Number 4, be open to negotiating. At the end of the day, real estate agents are trained negotiators, so be open to negotiating. Your realtor will also help you avoid negotiating important things away. For example, you may not want to totally waive your inspection contingency. In most circumstances, that probably wouldn't be the best move, but it's also dependent on the market. Putting your best foot forward when making an offer is always a great feeling. If you have more questions about submitting a solid offer, direct message me or reach out to my team.